This job is not for everyone. It's not only a job, it's a kind of life. Usually when people finish the job, they go home. The drivers stay at their working place.
It's hard to be on big distance from your family.
You need to have a little bit of passion for this type of job.
On s'est rendu compte qu'il y avait un vrai besoin. Donc de ce fait-là, on a créé Trucksnb, qui est donc l'Airbnb du stationnement poids lourd.
It's one of the best places.
Ah, ça c'est bon parking.
I like it because it has a gym. It has washing machines.
Parking in a secure place like this is the best options for us. For the truck also, for the diesel fuel, for the load we have. Sometimes we transport valuable stuff, so we have to be careful, really careful.
Le camion est automatiquement scanné à l'entrée. Nous tout remonte informatiquement. Au moment du départ, le lecteur de plaque le reconnaît et toutes les barrières s'ouvrent.